So sure it's still blue here.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. Welcome. Please scan your first item.
Your bonus card has been accepted.
Please place your bags in the bagging area and touch them when finished.
Actually, this makes so chill to turn it forward.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. Have you scanned or entered your welcome value customer?
Okay, we're back for another McDonald's food review. I just had McDonald's last week for my birthday. This order from the Walmart in Alexandria, Virginia. Also the self-checkout demo there, and I did the self-kiosk demo with the McDonald's inside the Walmart. Okay. Also did also in our Star self-checkout demo for J3 videos, and most other people requested shoppers in. Okay. We got medium fry here. 2 apple pies in. Okay. I got 2 McChickens in. What's some wrap the sandwiches in? Okay. Here's what a food looks like. Okay. We'll see you again for next video for cause I'm gonna get the soap show demos for Warren Shoppers uploaded and probably McDonald's self kiosk demo uploaded. Yeah, we'll see you again for another video.